How to fix Instagram story not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story not showing on Android phone. First on Android or iOS phone I mean, and now go to Play Store or App Store, and then make sure your Instagram is updated, and after that go back, turn off your Wi-Fi, and if you have an Android phone, go to settings, apps, and apps again, type here Instagram, click on it, click for stop, and then storage and clear cache. Now open, turn on your Wi-Fi and open Instagram. And then if that also doesn't fix it, restart your phone and try again. And if you have an iOS, just delete your Instagram and install it again. And I hope that can fix your problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.